This 2003 BMW 325i sedan is Orient Blue Metallic with grey leather interior. It is equipped with a power moonroof, heated leather seats, leather steering wheel, in-dash CD, fog lights, automatic climate control, and more. Contact our knowledgeable staff at 970-292-5200 or toll-free 877-319-5432 for additional information. Respectful financing for most credit situations. Trade-ins are welcome, paid for or not.